Sim 2K24, man. Y'all know the vibes. I got the big 700 outside. We finna make this joker louder on my mother. Come on back here, man. Let me show you something. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. We finna make this joker yell without putting no money into it. You just gotta have some tools. So right here, we got the baffle. We got the little baffle in the back. So we gonna take that out and we gonna make it louder. Come over here for me. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you can see how it sounds before you take the baffle off. Alright, man, I'm finna go get the tools. We finna go back there and we finna do some surgery. So we'll be back, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Alright, so we in the back of the back. We got these right here. We ain't got number like 3 Allen screws. I got a 6-point. It's a T30. I put it on a 1/4 with the ratchet, with the 1/4 ratchet. And we just gonna put them on there. And you see, you ain't gotta use too much force. They're gonna come straight off. Then you got one at the top. You gotta lift the plastic up just a little bit. Get that one up out of there. All right, so you just wanna get some. We got the 3 screws out, one at the top, one on the side, one on the other side. And you just wanna get some and just pry it off and it should come right off. I recently did it on my 450 and it was screws. It was like screwdriver screws. So, but I see now on here, they like either 8 or 10 millimeter. It's gonna look like a 10, but we're gonna try, we're gonna bring both. It's gonna be an 8 millimeter. Put it on there. Loosen it up. I got all the rest of them loose already. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. This is your bracket right here. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to put that back on there, but we're gonna see. All right, so we got the last screw right here on the bracket. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. I never did one on the 700, so I don't know what it's looking like. But we just had 4 8mm screws. Then boom. This is what is making it quiet. So we're gonna go ahead and hold on, come over here. Follow me real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put this where it belongs. Let's go back over here. So then we're gonna go ahead and it look like we're gonna put this bracket back on. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put them 4 screws in there. All right, so we got them 4 screws on there. And we're gonna put this back on right here. Just wanna make sure all the holes line up. I know I'm gonna have people in the comments saying I'm messing up the thread, but it's an exhaust, a stock one. Put these back in there. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. If this worked out for y'all, because I know for a fact it's going to work out for me. Good Lord, I done lost some. Alright, so I'm gonna find this other socket. We'll be back with y'all. Gotta find this 1/4. Alright, so I got the 1/4 with the 6 point. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up them Allens that we took off, them 3 Allens. Get them, you got them. Alright, man, so we could go ahead and start it up, see what it's sounding like. That thing sounds good, oh my God. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Y'all think that joker made it louder? Y'all think me taking it out made it louder? I think it did. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's gonna run way better, too. Yeah, man, that's him, man. A couple screws, a couple 8mm. You outside. No cap. We're gonna go ahead and take this one to an end, man. GSM BIKELIFE vlogs, man. You see, risk taking never stop, man. We outside. Stop playing.